how are you all doing? Thank you for your love and support. We really appreciate you. If today is the first time you are coming across us, or you are seeing this face for the first time, please do well to like our videos and share. In this platform, we react to all videos and your opinion is highly needed. So please sit back, watch this video carefully, drop your opinion in the comment section, and I'll be right back.
Because you cannot, there's nothing you can do to win back the heart of the people. If that's what they are trying to do, to win, it's too late. Understand? They had the opportunity before. They couldn't present strong evidence, concrete evidence in court. They couldn't. They couldn't. And the Cameroon defeated them by relying on the Anglo-German Treaty. The Anglo-German Treaty, which states that all colonial boundaries remain sacrosanct. You know, so, and of course, you know that the Bakassi people are not Cameroonians. They are our people, and that is why we have been enjoying the support of the people of the peninsula and holding our activities, carrying out our campaigns, you know, in the peninsula, and nobody, no group. If you are not from Eastern region, you can't operate in Bakassi. Eastern region of Nigeria, you can or Biafra land, you can't operate in Bakassi. You'll be regarded as an enemy because we don't know your motives. We don't know your motives. So that is that. They have lost that opportunity. So I don't care whatever they are coming up with again. It's not of our business. It's not of our concern. All what we are trying to see is how they can, both Cameroon, how they will hands up, because they are taking our oil to both countries and sharing the oil. And recently we find out that in Bakassi, because the history of Bakassi Peninsula, we have not had pipeline vandalism or pipeline bombing, and that is because they don't lay pipe in Bakassi. They don't lay pipe. We find out they don't lay pipe in Bakassi. What they do in Bakassi Peninsula is horizontal drilling. Horizontal drilling. A process where they drill oil without laying pipe. And you see how they sense they use it, because they know that place, every pipe will be destroyed. Will be destroyed. But still yet, all those their oil equipment, we are going to seize them. I don't want to use the word destroy. We are going to seize them. All those oil equipment, oil installation. We are going to we'll take them, everything. We'll take everything. I won't tell you what is coming. So they should keep drilling the oil. The one in Niger Delta, they have made Asari and Topolo and Ateke megats, and nobody should come close or touch it. But I know that where they have that influence is only on their own king's main area, the Ejo area. Their security guard is not banding to Ikwere people. They cannot extend to Ikwere, go and secure Ikwere pipeline, or go and secure Bibo pipeline, or go and secure Ndokwa or Kwale pipeline in Delta. So it's all within their own zone, their own area. So I know it's all nonsense. So that is just it. For some of all that why I came up with this, some of all that are jubilating, Nigeria is going back to court to reclaim Bakassi. It's nonsense. There's nothing to jubilate. There is nothing absolutely to jubilate. You don't need to jubilate. It's nonsense. It will not. Sorry, I don't know who is interrupting my network. I have switched to my phone now. Some people are calling me without somebody calling me at this time of at this hour. What does he want to tell me? Interrupting my network. So so there is nothing, and I don't. Their friends should not jubilate. Nobody should jubilate. Let's just be watching them. Even if they will bomb it will lead to fight. We should just exempt ourselves from it. And the fight should be Yaoundé to Abuja. They take helicopter, go and bomb Yaoundé. they won't take a helicopter, go and bomb Abuja. That is, nobody should come to our territory and fight over our own land, our own territory, over our own people. They should fight Yaoundé versus Abuja, not southeastern territory. So that is just it. And I think I've said it all. There's not much. We are doing something, and of course, despite that I not laying pipe there, with all those equipment, we'll seize it. I don't want to use the word destroy in case when you see that the equipment are being destroyed, you won't come and blame us. So our own is to seize. We'll seize it. Understand? We'll seize it. So they will. Although now, Cameroon already they urinate for body now as Nigeria will go. So that one concerned them anyway. I think it was 2 days ago I had a discussion about that with Mr. Simon Ekpa, and we found out that what they do, how they drill our oil is horizontal drilling. But then there are many ways to catch a rat. Many ways to catch a rat. Whether you lay pipe or not, there are many ways. That thing where you take the drill the oil. Equipment. Is that not equipment? Is it not equipment? It's equipment. So our own is to locate where those equipment are. And we'll locate it, not the Bakassi. We'll locate it. And we'll seize it. Understand? We'll seize it. We'll seize them all. We'll seize them. So it's not an issue. Yeah, very soon, let's say less than 24 hours or so, BNL leadership will be meeting around the borders, and we're going to be here live. My deputy, Ebuta Tagon, whose home was recently invaded, will also be here live to speak to us. And the next couple of hours now, I'll be journeying to the border areas. And of course, you will hear from us. I'm preparing myself now to begin my trip. I leave my home now, then move to the borders. And most of our officers will be coming. We're going to meet on critical issues, and very important. And we also come here to talk to us. I think my deputy wants to come, Rebuta Takon, wants to also talk to us too, at least for us to know that he's not frightened by what happened. Understand? We're all gallant, and we take Kampe, so there's nothing to be afraid of. So I think that is that. Let me prepare for my journey this morning. So I remain sincerely yours, Prince Will Richard, leader of the Biafra Nations League, BNL.
That brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share and subscribe. Thank you very much for always tuning in. I really do appreciate. Share the video and tell your friends about this platform, because the best thing or the best place for you to be is here. Turn on the bell icon so that whenever I drop a new boost like this, you'll be the first to notify. Thank you once again and remain blessed.